How are you, learners? This is quarter 2, week 1, lesson 1. Identifying the multiples and factors of a given number up to 100. Getting a multiples of a number is look like skip counting with the same number. Multiples of a number are the same numbers that are added repeatedly. Example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As you can see, it's look like skip counting by twos or repeating in adding by twos. You can also easily get the multiples of a certain number by multiplying the number by another whole number. For example, you can get the multiples of 3 by multiplying 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Therefore, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Factors are the numbers that when you multiply can give a larger number or a product. In every number, it has at least two factors, the number itself and 1. However, some numbers have more than two factors, like 12. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Therefore, if you ask to list the factors of 12, you would write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Both multiples and factors are significant and prerequisite lesson before expanding and reducing fractions in lowest term and finding the patterns in a number. Therefore, this lesson will help you for your future lesson. This time, focus your attention on how to identify the factors and multiples of a given number up to 100. Multiples. Look at the model block below. Try to analyze how you can get the multiples of 4. When you multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can get multiples of this number. Therefore, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. How about 5? Can you tell at least 10 multiples of this number? The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You will notice that this lesson is not new to you, since you have already learned how to skip counting from your previous grades. Factors. How about identifying the factors of a number 4? Look at this example. When you express number 4 as a product of two or more numbers, each of these counting number 1, 2, and 4 are factors of 4. You will notice that the number itself can be one of its factors. How about identifying the factors of a number like 16? In this example, you will notice that number 16 has 2 or more factors. These are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16, or the number itself. Now that you already know how to identify the multiples and factors of a given number, try to do the following learning task. Learning task 1. Identify the multiples of the following number inside the box. Number 1, multiples of 7. Number 2, multiples of 9. Number 3, multiples of 10. Number 4, multiples of 25. Number 5, 48. Learning task 2. Select the factors of the following number. Number 1, what are the factors of 9? 1 times 9, 3 times 3. Number 2, factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Number 3, factors of 30. 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Number 4, factors of 45. 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. Number 5, factors of 64. 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 4 times 16, 8 times 8. Number 6, factors of 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Number 7, factors of 56. 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 4 times 14, 7 times 8. Number 8, factors of 42. 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, 6 times 7. Number 9, factors of 72. 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12, 8 times 9. Number 10, factors of 90. 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30, 5 times 18, 6 times 15, 9 times 10. Learning task 3. Write the first 6 multiples of its number. Number 1, multiples of 7. Number 2, multiples of 6. Skip counting by 6. Number 3, multiples of 9. Number 4, multiples of 10. Number 5, multiples of 12. Skip counting by 12. Number 6, 15. Skip counting by 15. Learning task 4. Write the factors of its number. Number 1, 20. Factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Number 2, factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Number 3, factors of 36. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Number 4, factors of 32. 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8. Number 5, factors of 45. 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. Number 6, factors of 50. 1 times 50, 2 times 25, 5 times 10. Learning task 5. Identify what is asked in each item below. Number 1. What number I am? If I am between 21 and 31, a multiple of 4 and 7. Multiples of 4, multiples of 7. So the answer is 28. Number 2. What number I am? If I am a factor of 70 and I am between 30 to 40. So what are the factors of 70? 1 times 70. 2 times 35. 5 times 14. 7 times 10. And the answer is 35. That is between 30 to 40. Number 3. What number I am? If I am a factor of 90 but not a multiple of 6 and 9. I am a greater than 10 but smaller than 20. So what are the factors of 90? 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30, 5 times 18, 6 times 15, 9 times 10. Choose all that are not multiples of 6 and 9. And those are 1, 2, 3, 5, and 15. So the answer is 15. Number 4. I am an even number smaller than 48 but not greater than 30. I am a multiple of 6 and a factor of 72. What number I am? So, these are even number smaller than 48. And these numbers are not greater than 30. Then, multiples of 6 and factors of 72, 6, 12, 18, and 24. So the answer is 24. Number 5. I am odd number smaller than 56 but not greater than 28. I am multiples of 7 and has a factor of 7. Odd number smaller than 56, not greater than 28, multiples of 7, and factors of 7. So the answer is 21. We can find multiple of a given number by multiplying the number by another whole number other than 0. When you express a number as a product of two or more counting numbers, then each of these counting numbers is a factor of the given number. Learning task 6. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a factor of 96? What are the factors of 96? 1 times 96, 2 times 48, 3 times 32, 4 times 24, 6 times 16, 8 times 12. So the answer is all of the above. Number 2. Which of the following is not a multiple of 12? Multiples of 12. So the answer is 73. Number 3. Which of the following is the factor of 35? Factors of 35, 1 times 35, 5 times 7. Number 4. Which of the following is the multiple of 5? Multiples of 5. Number 5. 18 is a factor of 54 because it blank. Number 6. 60 could not be a factor of 30 because it blank.